Hi guys, I'm Reet and I'm a makeup artist. If you're watching my video for the first time, make sure you hit the subscription button and hit the bell icon. And today we're gonna create a Bengali bridal look on her. She's my beautiful model Aisha. Aisha, say hi.
Hi.
And आज की जो look होने वाली है, it's going to be very glam yet very ethnic, very Indian. So let's get started.
A lot of you ask me for skin preparation, what I do and what I use before makeup. So I use TNW aloe vera gel. It's really nice if you have oily to dry skin, and combination baby, it works really well. The description box will have all the product links that I'm using. And now we move to color correction. Color correction is very integral part of doing makeup. Without color correction आपका बेस ग्रे हो सकता है, आपका बेस फट सकता है, आपकी जो फाउंडेशन है वो ऑक्सीडाइज हो सकती है. जो आप कहते हो कि हमने फाउंडेशन अपने कलर के ली लेकिन थोड़ी देर बाद उसने अपना कलर चेंज कर दिया, दैट इज़ बिकॉज मे बी यू हैव नॉट डन color correction right. And it is very important on brown skin that we very well color correct the areas around your our lips and your forehead, under the eyes. It is very important. I have used LA Girl orange corrector, and to cover it up so that my foundation does not change orange or turn into orange, I have used Too Faced concealer in the shade Sand. Now I will camouflage all the areas where I've used the peach corrector, and you will see it hasn't instantly brightened and evened out the skin of my model. Now whenever you're doing the neck part, I will show you what mistake I did in the first go. It's not a mistake, but I usually do it like this, but later I see if the neck is turning gray, then I do color correct it as well. That I'll show you in the end. So अभी मैंने एक बहुत thin layer लगाया था the same concealer का. And now I move to my foundation. I think I've used Estee and Huda combination, and now her skin is looking flawless. You can see bilkul even out hai. There is no difference in the color under eyes and around the mouth, forehead. Everything is one seamless shade. Now I move to highlighting of the features. This is very important, another integral part of doing makeup. It brings out your features really well और बहुत ही आपका जो मेकअप है स्टैंड आउट करता है. And prepping up the skin with using the same lighter concealer. One very common mistake that I see is people use when they prep their eyelids, they use a very lighter concealer जो कि after makeup आपके पूरे face के साथ blend नहीं होता है. Whereas if you see in my makeup, you see on the face, the concealer of the eyelid, what is on the eyelids is matching exactly with her face, and now her face is looking flawless. Now I've used a translucent powder, not translucent, loose powder by Huda Beauty in the shade, I think it's Pecan. And I'm moving on to bronzing because this is my most favorite part. And if you know this product, if you can guess the product, comment down. I will send you all the details of this product. This is my most favorite और मैंने Instagram पे भी काफ़ी share किया है. Now bronzing is very important because it brings out the natural shadows of your face. Now instantly you will see her face is looking so pretty. जो इनके features हैं, जो cheek area है, it's coming out really well. And I don't like very harsh contouring on the nose. I'm a fan of very soft shadowed makeup. So another favorite of mine is this recent purchase of this blush. It is such a peachy pink. चाहे वो मैं फेयर टोन पे यूज़ करूँ, चाहे मैं मीडियम टू डार्क में यूज़ करूँ, you can see it's looking beautiful. And I personally loved Aisha's eyebrows. They are so round yet arch. It's super beautiful. बहुत सुंदर eyes हैं. And my favorite part of doing Bengali makeup is their eyes. They've got beautiful eyes, and that is why I love to enhance their eyes by using more of earthy tones and golds जो कि बहुत ही ट्रेडिशनल और एथनिक लगते हैं and Bengalis पे बहुत ज़्यादा सूट करते हैं क्योंकि इनकी आँखें बहुत सुंदर होती हैं. Moving on to the eyelids, यू हैव सीन मैंने कुछ लिक्विड लगाया था. दैट इज़ नथिंग बट मार्स का लिप क्रेयॉन. यू कैन यूज़ एनी लिप क्रेयॉन. इट जस्ट नीड्स टू बी लिटिल थोड़ा सा मेल्ट होने वाला चाहिए ताकि वो ब्लेंड हो जाए. वंस यू क्रिएट एंड वंस यू क्रिएट योर ओन वट एवर पैलेट्स यू आर यूजिंग, कलर फैमिली आर यूजिंग, उसके बाद यू कैन टॉप इट अप विथ सम शिमर्स. एंड में मैं हाईलाइटर लगाऊंगी. एंड अंडर आई इज़ सो इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू बेंगोलीज हैव ब्यूटिफुल आईज एंड आई लव हाईलाइटिंग देयर आईज. इतनी सुंदर आलमंड बड़ी बड़ी आईज लगती हैं. I am using Charlotte Tilbury का Airbrush Compact just to set the makeup down really well. By using another favorite product from Charlotte Tilbury was the Airbrush setting spray. It gives very dewy finish, and just after 4-5 seconds I moved on to highlighting a face. So makeup isn't just one step. जो पूछते ना एक step बता दो कि हम अपना makeup कैसे improve करें. There is actually a combination of 3-4 steps that brings out your features really well. Another favorite of mine is this mink lashes. Very important and my most favorite step is to fill the gaps. आपके जो भी आप काजल यूज़ कर रहे हो उससे यू हैव टू फिल द गैप्स ताकि कहीं से भी जो प्रॉपर डेप्थ होती है ना आँखों की डार्कनेस वो आनी चाहिए. आप जो वो बंगाली बिंदी होती है ना जो वो पेंट ब्रश से पेंट करते हैं, अगर आप बंगाली हो और आपको इसका एग्जैक्ट वर्ड पता है तो कमेंट करो, मुझे बताओ. एंड फॉलोड इट अप विद सम लिपस्टिक. बाय द वे वी आर टेकिंग ब्राइडल बुकिंग्स इंडिया, आउटसाइड इंडिया. You can reach us and thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you liked this.